Good morning, everyone. Graphical representation of a quadratic polynomial is very important, and it is 4 marks topic for your public exams. Without a graph, there is not prepare the question paper also. So it is a compulsory and very important for 4 marks. Guaranteed question. Take the box now. Some values to take some box. Already I explained one method. It is the alternative method. So first 5 boxes nano x. In this first one, second term, and it is the fourth term means constant. That last final box is y, and one more box I am trying here. That box is x comma y. Already you know this. Then here in this box, we wish to take some values, but that values are give the zero result. Which value is given the zero result? That is your zero of the polynomial. Until you are getting the two zeros now. In that y place, you get at minimum 2 zeros. Why? Because it is a quadratic polynomial. See this? First I am taking x and y. In between x and y, what there in that question? In that question, all terms I am writing in orderly. First term, second term. There is a minus means minus I am writing. Plus there means plus I am writing. See this? This is a plus x square minus 3x and minus 4y, and it is final result. First and last results. You are writing in this box. In this box, you are wish to take some values. That values are satisfying the polynomial. Yes, see here. I am taking first this 0 and some negative values. That negative values are I am taking -1 and -2 and 1, 3, 4. So why are taking here -1, -2? Here also you take in orderly sequence. Sure, it is not possible. Okay, it is also possible, but it is some lengthy process. Okay, until you are getting the 0. That's the reason I am taking directly some values. First -2 no. First to do the square terms. It is x. It is x square. X square means square of the following numbers. 2 2 is 4. 1, 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. After, keep, there is a minus is there, multiplied by minus into minus plus, 3 2 is 6, multiplied by x no. X what? In that first column numbers are x. Minus of minus is plus, 3 1 is 3, again it is 0, minus into plus, minus, 3 1 is 3, again 3 minus 3 3 is 9 and minus 3 4 is 12. Then how to write this minus 4 means there is no x values, it is a constant. Then you write as it is constant values are the constant values. Then simplify this. Except this, modify this 3 boxes only. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel means you are getting only 6. And here 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 4 minus 4 gives 0. You are computed 1 0. And you want one more 0. Why? Because it is a quadratic polynomial. Next 0 0 it is minus 4. In this minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 plus 1 means minus 6. See this plus 4 plus 9 minus 9 cancel, you are getting only minus 4. 16. 12 plus 4 minus 16. Then it is also you are getting 0. Then to draw the graph of the quadratic polynomial, you need to take 2 zeros. Then you are computed in the y column 2 zeros. Then it is finish the box. Then write the first and last answers. Minus 2 and 6, minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 4. Then 1 comma minus 6. Then 3 comma minus 4. then 4 comma 0. Okay, it is the box manner. Then what to do? Take the graph sheet and draw four quadrants that are x-axis and it is y-axis, and write the values 0. First to write the scale. Scale is very important. On x-axis, I am taking here only 2 and 6 only there. So I am taking 2 table. You ever wish to take 1 also, nothing will happen. Okay, on x-axis 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter, that you ever wish to take. You want only graph is only small is there, so you will take a large scale. You have large big graph sheet is there, then you take smaller numbers. Then I am taking 2 centimeters here. On the same thing, on y-axis also I am taking 2 centimeters. It's not compulsory. On x-axis is 2 centimeters and y-axis also 2 centimeters. That's your wish to take. On x-axis is 2 centimeters and y-axis on 5 centimeters or 10 centimeters. Your wish to take. Then I am writing some positive numbers on right hand side, negative numbers on left hand side. After, in that down part is I am taking negative numbers, and up numbers also I am taking some positive numbers. Sorry, you are taking the second table. Otherwise I am changing here only 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Okay, scale is 1 and 1 centimeter. Then I am writing all 1, 2, 3 only. No need to take 2 centimeter. That's what is already I said no. Graph is place is not there. Means I am taking small graph. Place is sufficient is there. You are taking your convenient to scale. Then it is the 4 quadrants graph is ready, and plot all these points on the graph sheet. What are that? Minus 2 comma 6, minus 2 comma 6, minus 2 comma 6. In our graph sheet, it is clearly it is on board. I am showing on board. So that is the some inconvenience is there. Some lines are not there particular. Then in our graph sheet, you are getting the particular lines and particular points. And minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 and 0 here only. Then 0 comma minus 4, 0 comma minus 4. This is 1 comma minus 6. It is 1 and minus 6 here. Then 3 comma minus 4. It is 3 and minus 4 here. And 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0 is here. All points are completed. Just to join that all points here to this one to here to this. See now, you are getting it is on the board, but in your graph sheet you are getting the perfect parabola symbol. Parabola symbol means U shape. Okay now, U shape perfect గా వస్తుంది. It is I am doing on board. That's the reason it is some cross sections also there. Then it is the graph of the quadratic polynomial. Graphical representation of the quadratic polynomial. Like that, how to finish the cubic polynomial and linear polynomials also. Is it clear? This section will learn the zeros and coefficients of this polynomial. Let us first to take the linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. What is the general form of linear polynomial now? General form. Linear polynomial is ax plus b is equal to 0. Then how to find out the value of x? So ax is equal to, and this b is equal to minus b, and x is equal to what you get? Minus b by a. So it is the value of x. So this value I am taking the sum of its 0. Sum of the zeros of linear polynomial, that is I am taking alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So you are taking the sum of the zeros of the polynomial is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. But in formulated formula of minus b by is right of minus b. What is minus b here? Constant term minus constant term by what is a now? Coefficient of a. This is the linear polynomial general form and sum of the zeros. Like that, I am going to explain the. Okay, first to take this one. It is already computed, and I am going to explain the quadratic polynomial. Then, what is the general form of quadratic polynomial? General form of quadratic polynomial is already you know ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Quadratic polynomial general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then zeros of the sum of its zeros are sum of its zeros is alpha plus beta. What is the formula? And already we learned minus b by a. This can be written as a minus b. Yeah, in the previous that is a constant, but here minus b is a coefficient of x minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. What is it? Coefficient of x square or not? Yes, it is the sum of zeros of the polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Next one more is the product of the zeros. Product of the zeros. That is product means already you know multiplication. Sum means addition. Product means into. That is when the quadratic polynomial, how to factorize the terms now? First one and last one, right? Then a and c only you are taking c by a. That is what is c now? Constant by coefficient of x square. Okay, and for these two we have to find out the quadratic polynomial. How means then quadratic polynomial is equal to, I am writing down, x square minus of sum of the polynomial means alpha plus beta of x plus product of the polynomial, that is alpha beta is equal to 0. This is the formula for quadratic polynomial. For this all formulas are understood means then we are going to extend one simple problem to verify the all this what is the sum and what is the product and what is the quadratic polynomial. For that example, x square minus 2x plus 1 I am taking here. Okay, now for example I am taking minus x square minus 2x plus 1. So to compare by the equation of ax square plus bx plus c, I am writing here 1x square minus 2x plus 1. Compare the values, c is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and a is equal to 1. Then substitute all values, sum of its zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Then what is minus is a minus and what is b now? Minus 2. Minus of minus is plus I am writing. Then what is a now? Only 1. Then What is answer? 2 only. Then product of the zeros is c by a. Then constant term, that is c by a. What is c? 1 and 1 is equal to 1. Okay, sum and product. Then you have to find out the relationship between the x square minus sum of the polynomial means what? 2x plus product of the polynomial is what? Sum and product of the polynomials. Then you are getting the your question. What is the question? X square minus 2x plus 1. You are getting that result or not? 3.3 second bit first one. Find the quadratic polynomial. For given values are sum and product is given. Then you have to find out the quadratic polynomial. See here, based on this formulas too, we find out this one. Sum of the polynomial alpha plus beta is given. That is 1 by 4. Just I am substituting here. Sum of the zeros is 1 by 4 and product is minus 1. Then substitute in this formula. X square minus of sum of the polynomial. What is sum of the polynomial? 1 by 4 of x plus product of the polynomial is minus 1 plus of minus 1. X square minus 1 by 4. X plus and minus is minus 1. Then take the LCM now. What is LCM? 4. Here 4 is not there, so it is a 4x square. Minus it is 4 is there, nothing to multiply anything. X minus here also 4 is not there, so multiplied by 4. Then is equal to 0. Then what you get? That is cross multiplication of this one is 4x square minus x and 4 is equal to 0. Next bit, fifth problem. Find the zeros of the polynomial. First find the zeros, then is equal to 0. Then t square is equal to, you send this 15 there, it is plus 15. Then square is there, so it is plus or minus square root of 15. Why? Because it is square term. Then in that square term single, in the quadratic polynomial single term is there. There is no x means we will take plus or minus means what is the value of t? Plus root 15 either minus root 15. Okay now? By taking this polynomial t square minus 15 is equal to 0 means square term is there but single term means single term is not there, constant term is there, minus 15 is equal to 0. Then compared by quadratic polynomial of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then comparison of c is equal to minus 15, b is equal to 0 and a is equal to 1. Then substitute in this. What is the formula of sum of the polynomial? Minus b by a and product of the polynomial is c by a. Then minus of what is b value? 0 and a value is equal to 1. Then 0 by something, you are getting 0 only. Then product of the polynomial is c by a. C means what now? Minus 15 by a is equal to 1. Then it is 15 only. Minus 15. Then write the quadratic general form of the formula for quadratic polynomial and substitute in this, and again you are getting the same result. Once check this. X square minus of sum of the polynomial is what? 0 plus product of the polynomial is minus 15 . Is it minus 15 only? Oh, correct. X square is 0, not valid, plus into minus is minus 15 is equal to 0. See here, you are getting the same result or not? So, it is your verification of the quadratic polynomial, and this is the zeros of the polynomial, and it is the relationship between the coefficients. It is the zeros. It is the coefficients relationship between, and it is the verification. What they are asking, find the zeros. These are the zeros, and verify the relationship between. It is the relationship between, and it is the verification. Three topics are completed.